What's going on, everyone? I just got done editing all of our Disneyland videos and California Adventure videos. We had season passes for about a year, and on the rides I took my 4K gimbal stabilized low light camera. So for the next few weeks I'll be dropping those videos. So if you want to see what the ride's about, stay tuned and we'll take you on a POV adventure.
Comes out during the daytime. I don't know. I think this is like. Oh, he's speaking Spanish.
What does that mean?
Well, little people, you, pequeño, like you're pequeño.
Yeah, that's funny that I said that.
Are we on another ride?
Yeah.
Did you have a good day today?
Oh,
here we go. We're on a tractor. Here we go. Was that fast? Too fast? It's like we're spinning out, huh? You good?
yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Tractor, tractor, tractor. Tractor, tractor, tractor. Here we go. Alright. Whoa. Tractor, tractors. Alright, we're done.